Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain non-deterministic finite automata. And in this, I explain what is non-deterministic finite automata, how we can represent NFA means short form of non-deterministic finite automata. And I'll take examples and I will show you how to construct. Okay. So what is non-deterministic finite automata? That name itself gives the meaning. Non-deterministic means from any state on any input symbol, machine produces one or more than one output. So that's why we more than one output is possible sometimes. So that's why we call it as non-deterministic. We cannot determine which is exact output because we get more than one output on any input symbol from any state. Unlike DFA, DFA produces only one output from any state on any input symbol, but NFA produces, there is a chance, but not always. Okay. Then how can we represent automaton? Automata is plural, automaton, TYN is singular. So we can represent automata A, machine A or M with 5 tuples as DFA. We can also represent this is with 5 tuples. One is Q, capital Q. Okay, sigma, same 5 tuples as DFA. Q sigma, delta, Q naught, Q sigma delta, Q naught, comma F. The meaning is same. What is Q, what is sigma, what is delta? The meaning is same. What is Q? Set of finite set of states. Q is finite set of states. Sigma is input alphabet, which contains all input symbols. If you see the transition diagram is containing arrows between states. Those arrows are associated with numbers or characters, either 0, 1 or AB. So those numbers are collected as sigma. Sigma means input alphabet. Delta is transitions. All the arrows related meaning is delta. Transitions. And Q naught is the initial state and F is the set of final states. F is the set of final states. Okay. So this is non-deterministic finite automata. Then what is Q? So I told you already, set of final states. But only one difference is there between non-deterministic finite automata and deterministic finite automata, that is transition. Because from any state on any input symbol, non-deterministic finite automata produces more than one output, but in DFA we get only single output. Then how can we represent delta? Only delta is different. How can we represent delta? So delta we can represent as, it takes input state, it takes input from input state and one input state and input symbol. So Q into sigma implies more than one output, means 2 power Q, 2 power Q. Okay, na? So Q into sigma implies 2 power Q, means subset, more than one output. We get more than one output from any state on any input symbol. Machine produces more than one output, but all the output states should be belonging to Q only. Okay, now whatever the states that are there, to those states only machine can move. So from any state on any input symbol, machine produces more than one output, means that particular combination is subset of the original set. So the number of subsets are 2 power Q. So within this 2 power Q, the output is there. But in DFA, the slight change is there. Q into sigma implies Q. Only one output will come. So Q into sigma implies Q. So this is the basic information related to non-deterministic finite automata. Once again, I will tell you, non-deterministic finite automata produces more than one output, but sometimes not always. More than one output, that too based on a requirement or request or transition diagram, or based on configuration of automata. More than one output from any state on any input symbol. So like DFA, NFA can be also represented with 5 tuples Q sigma delta Q naught F. What is Q? Set of finite set of states. Sigma is input alphabet, delta is transition function, Q naught is initial state, F is final set of final states. So delta, this is the delta in NFA. Q into sigma implies 2 power Q, but in DFA, Q into sigma implies Q. Only one output will come. Here more than one output will come, but more than one output is the subset of original set. So the number of subsets are 2 power Q. So that is based on number of states in Q. Okay. So this is about NFA. Then how can we construct NFA for the given question? Suppose if question is like suppose if you want to construct NFA, suppose if you want to construct NFA, okay, na, constructing NFA, which accepts language L. This NFA is accepting language L containing the strings. Every language is containing strings or group of words containing strings. Starting with, suppose if your problem is starting with, okay, na, starting with ABB, any string you can take. Starting with, suppose A string is, all the strings of that particular language is starting with ABB. Okay, na? Then very simple, constructing NFA is very simple than DFA, because in DFA we need to show all the symbols related transitions from each and every state, but here no need to show like that. Very simple way we can construct a transition diagram or NFA. How many symbols are there in this question? Z. If you treat it as Z, then starting with means ending is not specified. Then the regular expression syntax is ABB followed by, because starting symbols are ABB followed by any number of A's and B's. Any number of A's and B's. How can you represent any number of A's and B's? ARB whole star. ARB whole star. So this is the regular expression syntax. So this is the regular expression syntax. Okay. So ABB, ARB whole star. So once your machine sees ABB, because our question is constructing NFA which accepts language L language L which containing all the strings starting with ABB. So all the strings are starting with ABB. After ABB, any number of A's and B's should be accepted by NFA. So this is the regular expression syntax. We can expand it. So simply, suppose if you take this is epsilon, then ABB, or if you can consider all the strings with size 1, all the strings with size 2, and so on up to infinite. Okay, this is the expansion of this, and concatenate all this ABB, comma ABB 1A, ABBB, ABB 2A, ABB AB, ABB BA, ABB BB, like that you can expand. Okay, na? So this is the regular expression syntax. Then I will show you how to construct. How many states are required? Just one greater than the number of symbols in the question. So this is, if you treat it as Z, okay, na? Number of symbols in Z is equal to 3, then one extra state is required. Then I will show you how to construct. Very simple way we can construct Q naught. Okay, na? Assume this is circle Q naught. So 4 states are required because number of symbols are 3. Q1, okay, and Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3. So Q0 is initial state, Q3 is acceptance state. So that's why I am representing this Q3 in double circle. Okay, na? This Q3 is acceptance state and Q0 is initial state. Q0 is initial state. Now starting with ABB. So what is the simplest string? If you treat it as epsilon, then simplest string is ABB. So with ABB, you must reach acceptance state, because ABB is also legal string. A, B, ABB. Okay, now this is simplest string. Okay, so after that, any number of A's or B's are there in the string, which must accept, because through ABB which reaches acceptance state. ABB which reaches acceptance state. After that, your machine should accept any number of A's and B's. Okay, any number of A's and B's combination your machine should accept. So this is very simple way of constructing. No need to show B transition here. No need to show A transition here. No need to show A transition here. Unlike DFA, no, this is very simple way of constructing. Just based on condition, first you draw the DFA, and what is left now? Starting with means ending is not specified. Then ending means which must accept any number of A's and B's after seeing ABB. So this is very simplest the NFA construction. Okay, na? Because we can easily construct NFA in simplest way. Just based on question, we can construct NFA. Okay, na? And based on this, we can draw transition table. Very simple. Transition table is very simple. Just take number of states and number of symbols. Number of symbols are AB only. Number of symbols are AB only. Okay, na? Number of states are 4. One is Q naught. Q naught is one state. Q1 is one state. Okay, and Qt is another state, and Q3 and Q3. What is Q3? Q3 is acceptance state. Q3 is acceptance state. We know how to represent acceptance state by using star, or we can represent this acceptance state within circle, and initial state is represented by using arrow. Okay, now up to this Q3. Now, what is Q naught on A? Q naught on A is Q1. Q naught on A is Q1. Okay, na? There is no Q naught on B. So that's why represent dead configuration. This is dead configuration is represented by using 5. What is Q1 on A? There is no transition on Q1 on A. We represent it as 5. But no dead configuration is allowed in DFA. If dead configuration is there in NFA, while converting NFA into DFA, we should take dead states. Dead states. There we already seen starting with ABB means 5 states were required and 5th state was dead state. If any string starting with B, then we should represent it to D. If any string second character is A, then we should lead to D. If any string third character is A, we should lead that particular connection to D. We have already seen. But here, no need to represent dead states. So we simply treats it as dead configuration. So what is Q1 on B? Q1 on B is Q2. Okay, now what is Q2 on A? Again, Q2 on A, there is no such transition. Then represent it with the dead configuration. And Q2 on B is Q3. Q2 on B is Q3. And once your machine reaches acceptance state, it must accept any number of A's and B's. So that's why from Q3 on A and Q3 on B is Q3 only. So this is the simple way of representing NFA or constructing NFA starting with ABB. Starting with ABB. Okay. So starting with ABB, related transition diagram and transition table. Then what is capital Q now? Capital Q is set of acceptance states. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Represent Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 within open and close curly brace. What is sigma? A comma B. What is delta? This is delta. All the transitions. What is Q0? Q0 is Q0. What is F? Q3. So this is the representation, whole representation now. Okay, now suppose the question is like ending with. Suppose if you want to show or draw transition diagram which accepts all the languages containing strings or language containing strings ending with ABB. Okay, na? Ending with ABB. How can we draw? Very simple. Here starting is not specified. Then instead of representing self loop with ABB at acceptance state, just take that same self loop at initial state. That becomes ending with. Just simply I am erasing this part. See now, I am erasing this part. Okay, na? Represent a self loop at initial state with AB. Because ending with ABB is specified, but before seeing ABB, the machine should accept any number of A's and B's. After accepting any number of A's and B's, finally with ABB, which must reach acceptance state. Okay, na? With ABB. So finally, the last 3 characters should be ABB. With that ABB only, machine should reach acceptance state. But before ABB, which can see any number of A's and B's. Okay. Okay. Anyway, with this example, I will show you whether the taken string is acceptable or not. I will show you. Don't worry. Okay. Now, what is the transition table now? What is transition table? I will erase this. Okay, now I will erase all this and I will construct transition table for this. Just observe carefully. Okay, now same states, but transitions are different. Now, what is Q naught on A? See here, Q naught on A is Q naught as well as Q1. So from Q naught, machine is moving to two states, one is Q0, one is Q0, another one is Q1, another one is Q1, another one is Q1. So take those two states individually, but represent within open and close curly brace. What is Q0 on B? Q0 on B is Q0. Q0 on B is Q0. What is Q1 on A? There is no such a transition. Then use 5. Dead configuration. Q1 on B is Q2. What is Q2 on A? Again, Q2 on A is dead configuration. 5. Q2 on B is Q3. Q3 on A and B. Once your mission sees ABB, it should not accept any other symbols. If last three symbols are ABB, once your mission reaches a acceptance state, okay, na, it should not accept, because last three symbols should be ABB only. Okay, last three symbols should be ABB only. Once your mission reaches Q3, then Q3 on A, Q3 on B are not present. But in DFA, we are supposed to represent Q1 on A also, Q2 on A also, Q3 on AB. But DFA should not accept Q0 on A because here this NFA has two transitions. Q0 on A has two moves. Q0 on A is Q0 as well as Q1. This is happen only in NFA, not in DFA. Okay. Suppose if you take any string, if you want to show whether the taken string is accepted or not, you can take any string. Suppose A, B, A, B, A, B, B. If you want to show whether this result is acceptable or not, accepted by finite automata or not, then start with Q0. Start with Q0. Okay, na? Q0 is the initial state. Start with Q0. What is Q0 on A? Here we have two possibilities. Q0 on A has two possibilities. Then draw those two possibilities. What is first one? Q0 on A is Q0 as well as Q1. That's why write those two choices. But this was not happened in DFA. We have only one output. Next, what is the next symbol? B. What is Q0 on B? Q0 on B is Q0 only. Q0 on B is Q0 only. What is Q1 on B? Q1 on B is Q2. Q1 on B is Q2, right? Okay. Q1 on B is Q2. What is the next symbol? A. Again, we get two choices now. Q0 on A is Q0 as well as Q1. Q0 on A is Q0 as well as Q1. Two choices we got. On A, we got two choices. Okay. Then what is Q2 on A? Is there any such configuration? No. Then this transition stops here only because the result is 5. Result is 5. Okay, na? So this is ABA. Okay, we cannot extend it, but we need to extend here. ABA. Next one is Q0 on B. Next one is Q0 on B. What is Q0 on B? Q0. Q0 on B is Q0. What is Q1 on B? Q1 on B is Q2. Q1 on B is Q2. Okay. Next, last symbol is there. What is last symbol? Last symbol is B. What is Q0 on B? Q0 on B is Q0. Q0 on B is Q0. What is Q2 on B? Q2 on B is Q3. Yes. These two are the outputs. We got two outputs. One is Q0, one is Q0, and another output is Q3. We got two outputs. One is Q0, another output is Q3. But the condition is at least one state should be acceptance state. Once after getting multiple states as outputs, we must verify at least one state is acceptance state or not. Yes. Q3 we got. Q3 is acceptance state. Then we say that ABB is acceptable. So like this, verify any other string and show that whether the string is acceptable or not. So in this fashion, we can check whether string is acceptable or not. Okay. So this is second example. And third example is suppose L is containing strings having ABB as substring. ABB as substring. Suppose another question is not ending with substring ABB. Not ending with substring ABB. All the strings are containing ABB as substring. ABB as substring. So what do you mean by substring? That ABB comes in somewhere in the middle. That ABB is coming somewhere in the middle. Very simple. Starting and ending is not specified. Starting and ending is not specified. So substring means put self loop at the Q0 on AB and Q3 also with AB. Because starting and ending is not specified, just we simply saying that substring. Okay, now if ABB is substring, then first draw NFA with ABB. Starting is not specified, ending is not specified. Then Then the regular expression syntax is, I will erase this also. The regular expression syntax is ARB followed by ARB followed by ABB, because ABB is the substring. Again write ARB whole star, because starting and ending, starting any number of A's and B's are coming, irrespective of starting any number of A's and B's, ending any number of A's and B's, which should contain ABB is the substring. It should contain ABB is the substring. So this is the regular expression syntax. So what is self loop? ARB whole star. Self loop, if only one A is there, that means A star. You consider 0 times, 1 time, 2 times, or any number of times. Here also, either 1 time you consider, 0 times you consider, or any number of times you consider AB. Okay, expansion I already told you. Expansion is epsilon, size with 1, size 2, size 3, size 4 strings, and size 5 strings up to size infinite strings. So this is simple way. This is NFA, which accepts the language L containing strings which are containing ABB is the substring. ABB is the substring. Then equivalent regular expression is this. Equivalent regular expression is this, and equivalent transition diagram is this. So based on this, you can also change transition table. Okay, now Q0 on A, Q0 Q1, Q0 on P is Q0. Okay, Q1 on A up to this is okay, but at Q3 we get outputs. At Q3 we get outputs, because after ABB, after your machine sees ABB, which accepts any number of A's and B's, which accepts any number of A's and B's. So Q3 on A is Q3, Q3 on B is also Q3, Q3 on B is also Q3. This is only the change. Okay, na? Which is as ending with, which is same as ending with, but starting ARB whole star, and but here we treat it as substring, na. So that's why starting and ending any number of A's and B's will come, but somewhere the machine should see ABB. So the transition table syntax is this, and transition diagram is this. So Q0 on A is Q0 Q1, Q0 on B is Q0 only. Q1 on A is 5, Q1 on B is Q2, Q2 on A is 5 means Z configuration, Q2 on B is Q3, Q3 on A and Q3 on B both are Q3. Okay, na? Then you can take any example and you can show how or whether this particular NFA is accepting the given strings or not. So in this fashion, you can draw NFA and we can show whether NFA is accepting given strings or not. Okay, na? So in this fashion only expand. If more than one state is there, just simply represent more than one state like this and apply next symbol. If next symbol is also getting more than one state, then I represent like this and again apply next symbol. But finally, after reading the last symbol, see here, I think this is B. After reading the last symbol, you may get more than one output. If you get one output, no problem. If that output is acceptance state, then we simply say that string is acceptable. If you get more than one output, more than one state as output, at least that particular set should contain one acceptance state. If this particular final set is containing one acceptance state, then we say that this string is acceptable. See, Q0, Q3 we got in earlier example. Q3 is acceptance state. Then ABA, BB is acceptable because ending with ABB. ABB is acceptable. Even for any example in NFA, finally if you get with the last symbol, after reading last symbol, if you get more than one output, that particular output set should contain at least one state as output state. Then only we say that the given string is acceptable. So in this fashion, we can draw NFA, or we can construct NFA for any example. NFA for any example. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.